Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do today something that's been long overdue. I'm doing my first ever on YouTube luxury unboxing. So I'm excited. You know, you work hard, you can treat yourself and everything. And I'm just really excited because I really wanted these items that I'm going to show you, and it's really cool just to experience some luxury. Obviously, you know, I have worn luxury for years on years, but I know that luxury unboxings are getting pretty popular, so I was like, okay, let me just get one out for you guys. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is that I went to Hermes. Yes, I did. I went there and it was such a good experience. It was by appointment only. So I had a representative who helped me. Her name was Allison. Hey, Allison, if you're watching, she was so sweet, attentive, and it was just a top-notch experience. I really would recommend, you know, just actually doing something for yourself. Not saying it has to be about money or anything like that. I'm just saying that it's good to feel good. And you know, sometimes with people, they mix up with buying expensive things as you being kind of superficial or whatever the case may be, but truthfully it's really your choice and what you choose to do. But I feel like in this time and age where all is going on with the media and everything like that, you kind of just want to do something that's going to make you feel happy and uplift your spirit. So that's exactly what it did for me. So I'm going to show you all what I got. So it's with obviously the receipt of what was purchased. So the first thing that I purchased was the Oren Sandal. I'm a big foot girl. I'm tall, so I'm 5'8". So a lot of times luxury items don't come in my size, or if they do, it's like 1 or 2 sizes, so it's really hard to get. So basically, thankfully they have my size in different colorways and everything, so that made me really happy. Because if you know, and leave a comment if that is your struggle, when you have bigger feet, it's kind of harder. So for me, I had to order a 42, and what I purchased, which is, as I mentioned, the Oren Sandal, and I got the color white. So I'm going to show you now. So here's what the box looked like. My first orange box of many, because yes, we getting our Birkin, okay, period. Okay, so this is my first orange box, which I'm really happy and everything. And yeah, so they not unwrap it really nice. I did an unboxing on my Instagram. Go follow my Instagram, Msapple13, the same as this channel, so you can see it because it's on there. I posted a reel on it, so it's really pretty. It comes with the dust bags, of course, with your key when traveling and keeping your stuff clean. You want to hold the value of your items. It's really important to hold on to this type of stuff. So I like the color of the dust bag. So here it is, the infamous Hermes logo, and here are the sandals. Yay! Perfect for vacation. I'm gonna be taking some vacation, so yeah, I'm ready. I plan to go get some more, but I like the way they feel. They're very soft, high quality leather. Also, some designer shoes and that I've experienced they have leather, but they're not soft. Like, they hurt your feet, and I can't do that. Like, I don't want to do anything that's gonna hurt my feet. And how's a sandal hurting your feet? So I'm glad I walked around in the store with these on and everything, and they looked so pretty on my toes. It was pretty. And this is what the back looks like. So as you can see, very smooth. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see up close, but it has like a brown stitching on it, which is really pretty. So, you know, it'll go with a lot of things, especially swimsuits, if you want to do some bright colors, or even if you just, you know, hanging out with the girls or brunch or something, these are going to go really good. So I'm really excited about wearing these. Don't make it monetary, but make it Black girl luxury. any girl luxury. Forget that. The sandals that I've been eyeing for a while, and when I was able to get an appointment with Hermes here, I was really happy to see, because there's not a lot of Hermes boutiques. It's not. So, you know, if you have one in your area, yes. What I will tell you this, that depending on the shoe, I don't know if anyone's experienced this, but ever since I've had children, my feet grows. Yes, they grow. They get bigger. So what I can normally do is like a 41 in the most shoes, but I had a baby a year ago, so I did a 42, and it's important to size up, in my opinion, because even though the 41 fit okay, you want to get that extra room, because we ain't got time for your toes grabbing. No, that ain't cute. So I just did a 42, and it fits perfectly on my feet. So if you're trying to order online, I would recommend going at least maybe a half size or a full size, because it does make a difference, just because they're sandals, you know, and you want to make sure your feet have enough room on there where it's not too crowded. So that's just a tip. What I liked about the service is the fact that it's one-on-one. There's no one else in your space. You have your own dressing room. You have your own shopper. They allow you to tour the boutique. They allow you to do everything. So you really do feel good. Serve that champizzle. So yeah, it's really good. And I just was really astounded by the service. Glad that I really took the plunge and did it. So if this is your sign to maybe get yourself something nice, here it is. I'll be the sign. I'll be the vessel. So I'm going to show you the next thing that I got from Hermes. So the next thing that I got was the Hermes Perfume, and the name of it is Twilly, but I got this scent of ginger. It smells good, and you know what? I was really surprised, because I'm not a really ginger person. Like, I'm not a ginger eater, anything like that, but I sprayed it in the store, all 3 fragrances, because it's 3 different kinds of this particular perfume. And surprisingly, ginger worked really good with my chemistry, because I'm a perfume girl. I love perfume. And for me, I need to know how it's going to work on my chemistry. Is it going to stink after a while? Because that does happen. So I walked around with it for like, you know, a good 10-15 minutes, you know, while I was trying on my shoes and just touring the boutique. And girl, like, it was bomb. So I really, really enjoyed this one. Like, it was really, really nice. So yeah, if you're looking to do, you know, if you're into something that's a little sweet but it's fresh, ginger is the one for you. I got the 1 fluid ounce. Yeah, I got the 1 fluid ounce. They had the biggest one, and then they had the 1 fluid ounce. So I just took the 1 fluid ounce, because I have so many perfumes, so it really doesn't matter. And I'm not a person who usually wear the same fragrance all the time. I like to switch it up and, you know, change it up. But yes, it's really good. And I was seeing this on my Instagram ads, and I was like, is this another sign that you guys want me to go in Hermes? This is before I obviously went in and actually purchased some things. But yes, so I'm telling you, it's a good option. The next up is Gucci. I got this item that I've really been liking. I really do like Gucci. I feel like Gucci is pretty much timeless on different things. So what I picked up was a pretty bracelet. So it comes, because it's really soft, and it can dub as basically microfiber cloth that you can go ahead and polish your jewelry. So it's a bracelet, but it kind of gives you Tiffany vibes, but it's not. But it has the double G on it. Hold on, let me see. Double G, and it locks like this. So in between is really pretty. And then on this part, it just says Gucci, which I liked and everything. And I'm a girl who really does like designer jewelry pieces, like, you know, the Dior's and the Louis Vuitton and the Gucci, Chanel, different things like that. I like stuff like that, because to me, they really make good quality jewelry. Now I know sometimes people are like, it's not worth the money and blah blah blah, but a lot of the stuff does not fade or tarnish. And I know this one particular is stainless steel, which I liked. So I got it in this silver because like my wedding ring is white gold, so I usually wear this with this. I usually like wearing gold a lot, but when I do want to wear you know, the white gold elements and stuff like that, I'm gonna wear this. But this is really pretty. I get so many compliments on it, so I'm glad I picked it up. Yeah, I really think you should pick you up some designer jewelry if this is your sign. Hi sign, it's me again. But seriously, you will see the difference and everything like that, and they just hit a little different. They're cute. So right now we're living in the moment. We ain't taking pictures to save it. Okay, Dre. Seriously, we were doing things that's making us happy. You know, you go to work every day, you pay your bills, really just make the conscious effort to do something nice for yourself. It doesn't always have to be on your birthday or Christmas or any major thing. Just sometimes just take the time out to just do something for yourself and really make yourself smile. Treat yourself, boo. Treat yourself and everything, and you can really see the difference. So these are the only few things that I picked up around this time. I know it's gonna be more to come because I just like to shop and I like to do that. So of course there's gonna be many more on my channel. Leave a comment below and let me know what you would like to see on this channel. As I mentioned, I'm gonna be doing a lot more vlogs, unboxings, makeup tutorials, everything. You know, mommy related, anything that you want to see, let me know. And also go ahead and like this video, share it, and I'll be back soon with another upload. We're going in strong, and I'm so glad you guys came to join me. And again, follow me on Instagram, Msapple13, to see, and that's Msapple13, to see my unboxing and different things and kind of keep up with me there. So I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe, and I love you all. Mwah.